Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to give our Raptor a nice aggressive look and make it see a whole lot better when out on the trail. The F-150 Raptor came from the factory with LED headlights, but that's just not enough for one off-road. So today we're going to be installing this LED fog light mounting kit with Baja Design's LED lights for your 2017 F-150 Raptor. This kit comes with two high-quality stainless steel black powder-coated brackets with black ABS bezels to give your Raptor a more finished and an aggressive look. Two Baja Design Squadron amber combo lights are also included, as well as two white LED lights for significantly improved off-road visibility, and the best part is it's super easy to install. To start the install, we're going to install these clip nuts onto the bracket. Install the clip nuts onto the bracket with the threaded part facing forward. The trim pieces can now be installed into the brackets. It says P for passenger side and also made in the USA. Make sure you can read this so it's right side up, and then put this into the bracket. We're over at the truck now. We're going to install our rubber trim onto the bumper. This rubber trim that we're installing is split in the back. We're just going to put this split over the edge on the bumper right here. Slide it over, press it down, and then just work your way around the bumper. And once you get it worked all the way around the hole and you got it looking pretty good, repeat the process for the other side. The bracket can now be installed into the bumper. We're going to install the provided bolts in this hole right here and that hole right there. Don't tighten the bolt all the way just yet. Wait until you get the second bolt in. With both bolts in place, you can tighten them down. The lights can now be installed onto the brackets. Depending on which light you're installing, they require different versions of spacers to fit properly. For this Baja light, we're going to be using a thick washer, then a spacer, then a thin washer, and then this will go onto the bracket, and then we'll use a thin washer and nut on the bottom. Then you can tighten the nut and bolt with a 13mm socket and wrench. Both lights are installed and it's now time to wire them up. You can wire them up however you would like. The lights come with their own harness and you can hook them up to the wires for the auxiliary switches at the firewall, and we already have a harness ran down here for that. So we're just going to plug them right into our harness. Here's our wiring harness that we had previously ran. You can pick this up at cjponyparts.com. And we have our amber light hooked up to the first switch in the truck, and our white light is hooked up to the second switch. And now our installation is finished once we finish the other side. Okay, we got our LED fog light kit installed. I have to say, I absolutely love the way they look. I'm loving the white and amber combination. These things are super bright. They're like another set of headlights, and installation really isn't that bad. It should probably only take you about 2 hours, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.